special guest, my dad. And so today we are going to be testing five science experiments that I saw and see if they actually work. So he does not know what the experiment is yet. So after he sees the experiment, I'll do it first and then he will rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 how much he liked it. So on with the first experiment. All you need for this one is a plate. I'm just going to use a plate. And then a balloon, some salt, and some pepper. And so let's start off by blowing up the balloon. Okay, I think that should be good. Whoa! Okay. I think we need another. Let's try that again. All right, that should be good. And so anyways, it's fine.
Oh, what?
So you are going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on this plate. Doesn't really matter. We'll spread it around. Kind of like that. Okay, that's good. And then get some pepper.
I better check the camera and make sure it can see what's going on here. I look better at home.
So we got some salt and pepper. All right, so what we're gonna do is some static electricity.
Whoa.
All right, so the salt and pepper should stick to balloon.
No way.
You hear that?
Epic.
It's going on the balloon, and as you can see, there is salt and pepper on the balloon. So.
Oh, excuse me.
All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you like that experiment?
I'm going to give that an 8.2.
All right, on to the next experiment. Hi, guys. So we are at the second experiment. So for this one, you just need a paper or a plastic bag and some pencils, colored pencils, and some water. So we are going to go fill this up with water and we'll do the experiment. All right, so let's go fill it up with water. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Okay, let's use the upstairs one. All right, so we're just gonna fill it up with water. Doesn't have to be the full way. All right, so that should be good. All right, just close it up. Okay. All right, so we have the bag full of water, and so we got a bowl just in case it leaks. And so we're going to take a colored pencil, and we are going to
What are you doing?
pop in the bag. And the pencil goes through the bag, and it does not leak. So, so let's push in another one. Whoa.
Oh! Oh! Oh, I saw a drip.
Oh, I know, but it still works pretty good, huh?
Do another one.
Yep. Let's see if we can get all the rest of these 4 in without it spilling. Whoop. Saw a little bit of water squirt out. But we're still
Whoa.
doing it. And we did it, guys! We got all of them in. So, what is your rating on that experiment?
That's just weird.
I know.
I think I want to hold it here for an hour and see how much water comes out. And then we'll rate it.
Well, anyways.
Based on what I saw, we'll give it a 8.5.
Okay, on to the next experiment. All right, guys, so this is the third experiment, and so he picked this one out, so I don't know what's happening, so I'll be the one rating it this time. So go ahead and explain what this is.
All right, so for this one, you'll need a bowl made of glass. You'll need some water, And you'll need a dry erase marker. Now, I'm not a scientist like Cool Stuff with Judah, so I don't know.
I'm just dressed as a scientist.
This might be like a fail, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna use a dry erase marker.
Is this like?
And I'm gonna draw a fish.
A fish. Okay. Right. A fish. Okay. And then what do you do?
So there's my beautiful fish. Now to see what this is gonna do, I'm gonna have to adjust the camera angle. So hold on 1 second. All right, boys and girls, here we go. If this works, it's gonna be epic.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, that just means you're a better scientist than I am. So watch what happens as we slowly pour some water in.
Are you sure this is a glass?
And Jeopardy song.
How long does it take?
I thought it was supposed to happen right away.
It was away.
And apparently I'm not a scientist like Cool Stuff with Judah.
Wah, 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 wah. Alright, so for this next experiment, you're just gonna need some soda and a small glass and, well, just any glass, a clear glass, and some raisins. So you're gonna start out by opening the soda, then you're just gonna pour it in the glass. Right. So then you are going to put in the raisins. You don't need all of them. Just get maybe like a couple raisins. All right, that should be good. And then this one's called Dancing Raisins. So we're going to put in the raisins. Watch the raisins.
Whoa.
And then they go up to the top. And then they keep going down and up and up and down and up and down.
I gotta get a close up of that so they can see at home what we're seeing.
Okay, this is cool. Alright, so for the last experiment, we have some milk, we have a Q-tip, a bowl, food coloring, and some dish soap.
Alright, let's get a better angle.
It's on. Alright, so we're going to start by pouring in the milk.
A little bit.
Alright, just a little bit. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, so then we're going to put 3 drops of food coloring, 1 of each color.
Why don't you do 3 drops from each color?
Okay, so start by opening up the food colorings. All right, so we'll do 3 drops of each color.
Maybe.
1. Let's do 2, maybe. Oop, there we go. Then there's some yellow. Oops, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 red. 3 drops of red. So then we just put some soap on the Kleenex. Okay. Like this.
It's gonna happen.
And then we're going to put the Q-tip in the middle.
Sure.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's cool. Do I take it out?
Maybe swirl it around a little bit. Looks like a marble. Check that out. Check that out.
Let's just leave it in there. Whoa, it's on the sides too.
Oh, I like that. Swirl it around.
And we'll see what it looks like when it's all mixed up. When it's all mixed up, let's see what it is.
That's satisfying, or that's, what is that? ASNPI?
ASMR.
Oh, whatever that means.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to give that. Oh, now it's just looking like
Lucky Charms milk.
melted, like, yeah, it looks like Lucky Charms.
Milk after you pour in a bowl of Lucky Charms.
It just dropped a few points because of that. I thought they'd stay separated.
There's still a ring of yellow.
There is a ring of yellow. So that boosts it up a little bit. Looks like the sun in
Whoa,
our
look,
solar system.
wait, I can push
Whoa.
it around.
Well, we gotta get a close up.
Wait, I can literally take it out. Oh, wait,
this.
this is the thing. Wait, did you put that in there?
No, you did all the coloring.
I accidentally, I'm like, wait, but you could pick it up.
I just went from like a 10 to a 5.
Okay,
Because
well.
I thought that was the coolest thing ever. And
I know, I was booping it and it was like going.
We'll give it a 6.
Okay, fair enough.
Nice experiments today.
Alright, thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe.
Cool stuff with Judah.